Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for workflow automation in 2026. So if you want to reduce repetitive tasks like writing emails, summarizing reports, or organizing data, yeah, this guide will help you set everything up step by step. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside, you're ready to turn Claude into your workflow assistant. Now list the tasks you do every day. So things like replying to emails, creating reports, writing summaries, or generating content are perfect for automation. Next, convert those tasks into clear prompts. I mean, instead of doing everything manually, you tell Claude exactly what output you want, like email drafts, summaries, or structured reports. You can automate writing tasks like emails, meeting notes, and reports. Yeah, just paste input data and ask Claude to generate polished content instantly. Another powerful use is summarizing data automatically. You can paste long documents or reports and get clean summaries or insights in seconds. One smart trick is creating reusable prompt templates. So yeah, you can save your best prompts and reuse them anytime to speed up your workflow. And that's how to use Claude AI for workflow automation in 2026. Once you turn repetitive tasks into structured prompts, you can save hours every day and work much more efficiently. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI productivity tutorials and automation tips.